back to my channel. My name is Elena, and today is a great day. I'll tell you why it's great, because I just hit my 80th subscriber, so yay! Thank you so much for all of you that has been tuning in, has been supporting me, has been acknowledging that I've been posting more videos than I did before. It just means a lot to me, seeing those numbers like coming up. Okay, without further ado, due to this celebration, I've been slacking on my photography because I've been doing a lot of videos, so I thought I would do a little bit of a vintage look / self-portrait session. I've already done my face, my base makeup. I've already, as you can see, it's a little bit flawless. Well, you know how I look like, right? I will be doing a little Marilyn Monroe vintage kind of 60s, 80s look. Those sleek eyeliner and those bold red lip. Let's get to it. My base makeup is already here, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer. I ain't saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. I'm gonna put in a little bit more effort compared to my previous video before, so I'm gonna play with like eyeshadow and things like that. So we are just gonna do our brows as so. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's okay. So I'm using this Zoeva. It's a miniature eyeshadow version. You can get it from Sephora. I do not have much of my brushes here, so I'm literally just gonna use one blending brush for everything. Yep. So I'm gonna use the base, which is Universal Delight. Just gonna put it at the base. Next, I'm going to use Aftertaste, like a peachy color. My crease, a little bit of my crease. Just a little bit more here. I don't want it too much. Just gonna blend it out. You were never worthy. Lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Cool, okay, so this is kind of like the faded look that I'm looking for. So not too much. You can build it up later. Next, I'm going to use Start Soft. It's a warm color here. Just gonna put it at the edge. What I do is I'm just focusing at the end of my lids here. It's so annoying using this one brush, but we use what we have. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So if y'all can see, it has like a peach undertone, and I use a chocolatey kind of feel to overcome the peach undertone. Okay, and I'm just gonna build it up with a little bit more peachy. So this time I'm going inwards to the center of the crease. That's how you would build it up. So when you've done that, I'm gonna use some shimmer. Which color you should put?
Let's go with liquid center. So I'm just gonna use my finger for this. Okay. Just gonna slap it on. So I already put the shimmering thing using my finger. You guys can see. Ding 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 ding. Okay. So next we're gonna use eyeliner. I'm using this one from Intuit. Okay, so next we're gonna do some mascara. Mascara.
You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror.
This is not even mine, this is my mom's.
Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately it's you.
Okay, so can you see it?
You stole your piece. Put it on me. But baby,
okay. I'm gonna use my mouth Silky Girl lip liner.
take your stuff back. Baby, it's you.
Next, I'm gonna use my matte Clio. This time, I'm not gonna, smudge it out because we want that red bow lip.
If I control the weather.
So this is the look I'm going for. Next, I'm gonna put some highlights. So because I do not have any highlights, I'm just gonna use it from the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use our blush, and we're gonna go with Almost Burnt, this color. I'm gonna get some of that.
What do I have to do to make you go?
I'm gonna set it with my favorite Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Guys, this is the look that I'm looking for. It's kind of like a vintage look, peachy, bow red lip, and some kick-ass eyeliner. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do some self-portrait shots. So I'm looking for the look where girls get ready when they're with their bathrobe on and their hair all tied up and just out of the shower, kind of get ready with me kind of look. So I do not have a bathrobe, but let's DIY it, and I'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back. So this is the look that I whipped out. I do not have a bathrobe, so I took another towel and wrapped myself up and pinned it so it looks like a bathrobe. And let's get some elegant glam shots. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy my look and you guys can try your DIY bathrobe at home. Just putting 2 pieces of towel together and just pin it up, because girls like us deserve some glam once in a while. So do subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!